Welcome all of you to Animats. Uh, what shall we be doing today? We shall be taking up a very important topic in algebra today, that is multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, now we have talked about what are algebraic expressions before this, but then we have also done addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now we shall be learning to multiply them. Okay, so this is the very first video on multiplication of algebraic expressions, and in this video what we shall be learning is how to multiply a term with another term. Okay, so this is a very basic. If you know to do this, you will be able to attempt other questions when we do multiplication of a polynomial with a polynomial, or a binomial with a binomial, or just a monomial with another binomial. So this is the very basic of multiplication of algebraic expressions. I would always suggest, please first see this video and then try to see binomial with binomial or the other videos. So I shall be uploading all the videos one by one of multiplication of algebraic expressions, but this is the one of a term with a term. Okay, so let us see how it is. So let's start. These are our two terms. Okay, we'll see how term by term, as I said. Okay, 3a square into 8, a to the power 4. Now clearly you can see here that this is one term which is being multiplied with another term. Okay, this is the very first part of algebraic expression multiplication, very basic. Now, this is not at all difficult. Remember one thing, when we were doing addition and subtraction, I had done the horizontal and the vertical method, and I had told you that you have to always write them like terms under like terms, and all like terms to be written together. Okay, we can calculate only between like terms, I had told you. But then in multiplication and division, I can calculate between unlike terms. Okay, so this time you don't have to wait for like terms only. You can calculate between unlike terms. We can multiply two unlike terms. Okay, now here clearly you can see these two are unlike terms, isn't it? They are unlike terms. Now what to do? The very first thing we have to notice is the signs. There is a plus here. Not written means a plus. Not written, that is also a plus. Plus with a plus, according to our knowledge, plus with into plus is a plus. Okay, then comes the number with number, 3 with the 8, write the 24. Then comes the variable with variable. Now we have learnt in our exponents first rule that base is same, power is different, means power gets added. Okay, so we write the base a and the power gets added, that is 6. So my answer is 24a to the power 6. Let me take another one where there are more negatives. Minus 4ab, keep watching, every time we'll have unlike terms, into minus 3 a square bc, a square bc. Okay, back again, first sign with sign, sign with sign, minus with minus, plus. Okay, number with number, 12, a with the a, that is a cube according to our law of exponents, b with the b, that's a b square, and c does not have a c here, no problem, just copy the c. So that is my final answer, as simple as that. Okay, now let me take another question where there is a little bit fraction. Okay, so here I have 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and then that is x square y into 3 by 5 xy square, 3 by 5 xy square. Now clearly these are unlike terms. Okay, here 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, it's already plus into plus, that's a plus, so I'm not writing it anymore. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Okay, and that is here x to the power 3 according to law of exponents and y cube. Okay, so here this is See, this is nothing but a fraction multiplication, isn't it? So 3 cancels with this, 2 by 5 x cube y cube. These were unlike terms, okay? So we have got a x cube and we have got a y cube, and here it was a regular fraction multiplication. So just like we multiplied numbers here, we'll multiply fractions here, and so it is a final 2 by 5. Okay, now let us take another question where we have a fraction once again, minus 13 by 5 a b square c into 7 by 3 a square b c square. Note again, they are unlike terms. Now we are going to work with it. Minus with a plus is a minus, okay? And number with number, that is, here we don't have numbers, we have fractions. So here this is 7 by 3 a cube b cube. I'm working like exponents here, I'm using exponents practically, and c cube. Okay, now does anything cancel? Nothing cancels, isn't it? I don't see anything cancelling here. So it's a straight 13 into 7, that is a 91. 91 by 15, okay, a cube b cube c cube. That is my answer. So this complex looking sum we have solved. Now we are going to take a little simple one only, I would say. This is minus 2 by 3 a square b into 6 by 5 a cube b square. What do we do? Plus with the minus is a minus. Number with number. 2 by 3 into 6 by 5 a to the power 5, and that is a b to the power 3, isn't it? B to the power 3. So what is it now? Here, cancel this 2. So we don't have anything else to cancel in this. So we'll stop here and we'll write the answer. Minus 2 into 2, that's a 4, and then write down the 5, okay, and copy the variable part of it. That's it. So that is our final answer to the sum. Okay. Now let us take up a little big question. Okay. These sums look scary, but they aren't. I just want to show you that. 2 by 5 a square b bracket into minus 15, this also is written in a bracket itself in the question, b square ac, okay, and then into, so there's a mix of fraction and regular numbers, and then c square, and note clearly they are all unlike terms. Plus with a minus, keep it in mind, don't have to write so many steps with it. Minus with a minus is a plus again, so your answer will be positive. Start with the numbers. 2 by 5, don't try to work out like this, bring them together, you'll get less mistakes. This minus has already been worked with, so we are just going to copy the 15 and a half. Done. And then this is a square a cube, b and a b square, b cube, and a c square, that's a c cube. Okay, if you don't have c in one, nothing to worry. You have in the others, work on them, put it down here. And since these are going to be all unlike, it's not necessary it's going to be unlike, but then very often you get unlike terms multiplications. So it is quite obvious that most of them will not have all the variables. Here, like, you don't have the c's, you don't have a and b, here you don't have the c. So like this will keep on happening. So wherever you find the same variable, work on it as per exponents and write it down. So I got my a cube, I got my b cube, and I got my c cube, correct. So then, now here little bit of cancellation, cut the 2 out, it's only a 3 now left, a cube, b cube, c cube, that is my answer. Okay, so that is it for today. We have covered almost every type of term by term multiplication. In the next video, I shall be taking up monomial by a binomial and a binomial with a binomial multiplication. Okay, so if you have liked the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye then.